Hello everyone. Today I will continue with chapter 10. In the previous class I had discussed light, sources of light and optical media. And in this class I will discuss about formation of shadow, parts of shadow and eclipses. Do you know students what is shadow? A shadow is made when an object blocks light. In this picture, you can see this is the source of light, this is man and this is the shadow. Do you know students how shadow is formed? Shadow is formed because light is coming from the source and this man is blocking the light. So, shadow is formed. In simple words, we can say that shadow is nothing but an obstruction of light. One more example, you can see light is coming and this book is blocking the light, so shadow is formed. Now, what is umbra and penumbra? Shadow has two parts, umbra and when the shadow is formed on the screen, you will see a dark patch where there is no light. This dark patch is known as umbra and this lighter patches is known as penumbra. You can see my hand. Shadow is formed on the wall. This dark patch of my hand is known as umbra and this lighter patch of my hand is known as penumbra. Now, what is eclipse? The word eclipse means hidden from view, which means that is not visible. A total or partial darkening of heavenly body like sun or moon owing to the formation of shadow causes an eclipse. Now, there are two types of eclipse. One is lunar eclipse and another is solar eclipse. Now, what is lunar eclipse? Earth comes in between sun and moon. Earth cuts off the light of sun reaching the moon. And moon is completely or partially hidden under the dark shadow of earth. Earth cannot see it. We call this an eclipse of moon is lunar eclipse. This is solar eclipse. When moon comes between earth and sun, moon blocks the light of sun and casts shadow on the earth. The people falling in the shadow area of the earth cannot see the sun. So, this is called solar eclipse. A solar eclipse always occurs on a new moon day. Thank you. And this is your revision work. First one is sun is not the main source of light. It is false because sun is main source of light. Now second one is moon is luminous object. It is false because moon is a non-luminous object. It does not have their own light. When the moon, sun and earth comes in straight line, eclipse occurs. It is false because here it will be when sun, moon and earth comes in straight line, then eclipse occurs. Position of sun is always fixed. As I have explained in the topic eclipses, only the position of earth and moon changes. Light always travels in curved line. It is false because light always travels in straight line. Light is a form of energy. Yes, it is a form of energy. So it is